Do you ever feel stuck with English? Do you feel like no matter how hard you try, you are not improving? If yes, this episode is for you. By the end, you will know how to keep learning English, even on your hardest days, and feel proud of every small step you take. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Learning English channel. Today, we will talk about how to stay motivated while learning English. Learning English can feel hard sometimes, but it is also exciting. It is possible if you take small steps and stay consistent. So, are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's start together. Learning English takes time. Learning English is not easy, and that is completely normal. It is normal to feel tired sometimes. It is normal to feel slow sometimes. You are not alone. Everyone who learns English needs time. You need time to listen. You need time to speak. You need time to understand. You need time to improve. Some days are easy and fun. Some days are difficult. This is normal. On good days, enjoy your progress. Notice what you learned. On hard days, do what you can. Even small steps are progress. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need to know all words. All you need is to try. All you need is to continue, step by step, day by day. Mistakes are part of learning. Mistakes are normal. Do not be afraid of them. If you say a word wrong, it is okay. If you forget a word, it is okay. If someone corrects you, it is okay. Mistakes help you learn. They show you where you need to practice. Every mistake is a step forward. Even native speakers made mistakes. No one speaks perfectly all the time. The important thing is to keep practicing. Small actions every day. You do not need to study for hours. Small actions every day are very powerful. Read one paragraph. Listen to a short audio. Learn one or two new words. Repeat one sentence. Even 5 minutes of practice is useful. Even one sentence is helpful. The key is to do something every day. Step by step, day by day, you improve. How to stay motivated? Some days are harder than others. Some days you feel tired or busy. You may think, I do not want to study today. That's normal. Your brain needs rest sometimes. Even on hard days, you can do a small action. Maybe listen to a short video. Maybe read one sentence. Maybe repeat one word. The important thing is not to stop completely. Even small actions keep you moving forward. Remember your reason. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it is for work. Maybe it is for studying abroad. Maybe it is to travel. Maybe it is to speak with friends online. Maybe it is for fun. Your reason is very important. It gives you energy. It helps you continue when you feel tired. Repeat your reason to yourself. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close to your heart. Make it easy. Do not wait for the perfect time to study. Do not wait for silence or energy or the right mood. Put your book on your desk. Save a short video on your phone. Set a timer for minutes. Even a small start is enough. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, continuing is easier. Be kind to yourself. Do not say, I am bad at English. Do not say, I am too slow. Do not say, I will never speak well. Instead, say, I am learning. I am trying. I am doing my best. Be patient with yourself. You are growing. You deserve kindness. Celebrate small wins. Did you learn new word today? That is a win. Did you repeat one sentence today? That is a win. Did you listen for 5 minutes? That is a win. Notice small victories. Smile at them. Feel proud of your progress. How to check your progress? Sometimes it feels like you are not improving, but you are. Here are ways to notice your progress. Write things down. Keep a notebook. Write new words. Write sentences you like. Write what you did in English today. Later, read it again. You will see how much you improved. Record your voice. Use your phone. Say one or two sentences. Record them again next week. Listen and compare. You will hear your improvement. Notice small things. Maybe you understand a video without subtitles. Maybe you read a message without translating in your head. Maybe you can speak one sentence without thinking too much. All these are signs of progress. Look back, not just forward. Sometimes we only see what we cannot do. Look at what you can do now. Compare it to 1 week or 1 month ago. Slow progress is still progress. Using English every day. English is useful in life. It is not only a subject in a school. You can use English to watch movies, listen to music, read news, chat with friends online. Every time you use English, you learn. Every time you practice, you improve. English gives you more choices. You can travel more easily. You can study abroad. You can get better jobs. You can understand the world. Final thoughts. Thank you for listening today. We talked about mistakes, small steps, your reason, seeing progress, being kind to yourself, using English in life. Remember this, you are learning, you are improving, you are doing something difficult. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not worry about speaking slowly. Do not worry about forgetting words. The important thing is you are trying, you are growing, you are improving step by step. I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. So, my friends, which part did you like? Please comment below. On top of that, please hit the subscribe and share this video to help others too.